Okay, now let's fix one bug with a player. I don't know if you noticed or not, but when our enemy dies in the running state, after he's dead, he's just moving towards our player a little bit, and that's not exactly what should happen. Basically, this happens because the enemy, even after that, he's just trying to chase our player. Yeah, he is quite bright enemy, quite brave monster. And to fix that, what we can do after enemy is dead, we can deactivate the collider of it and also enemy controller of it, and it will fix our problems. So in the take damage function, after we play the dead animation, we can say get component that we want is collider dot enabled equals false, and also get component. And well, this time we want to access the script itself, so enemy controller dot enabled equals false as well. And that's pretty much it. We can save the script and let's compile. And now let's check. And let's kill this enemy. Yeah, he's not going towards the player after he's dead. So now we have nice looking enemy.